Okay, this is a risky video. I've always wanted to cut an aquarium in half. I've got a 10-gallon aquarium here. They're 12 inches high. I want to cut it down to 6 inches. I took one of these glass cutters and I scored it on all four sides with a glass cutter. I've just taken the propane torch and gone around three sides and it's cracked. I'm assuming if I just pry it apart, it'll break on the fourth side. Well, let's see. I cut it on the wrong side. We'll put some heat to it, see what happens. My favorite part. There's a crack starting. I think we're there. Now let's see what happens. Voila. 2 5-gallon aquariums. Well, as you can see, it isn't exact, but it's only my first try. I'm pretty happy. We'll have to do this again sometime, once I perfect the technique. Thanks for watching. Okay, now for the finishing touches. It turns out it doesn't have to be perfect after all, because I did a test fit on the old frame from the top, and it comes out to 6 inches all the way around. Plus you got a little grace where you can move it up and down when you have all the silicone in there. And that's what I did. I filled the inside with some aquarium silicone. Now, the finishing touch. Six inches. 6 inches. Ooh, 6 1/4. 6 inches. 6 inches. So all I have to do is go around and just bump it around to the exact dimension, around 6 inches, and let it dry. And there it is. Half of a 10-gallon aquarium.